presentation for a fresh fruit cup right there. Hello, Chef here with some fruit cups today. I'm just going to combine some of this diced pineapple with some of these grapes. Wow, we got a lot of pineapple here. Okay, that's probably going to be enough right there. Going to be using a spoon to toss this together. Oh, of course, got to have a few blueberries in there. Yep, just like that. Ooh, looking good. Okay, and now we take these orange cups and we put a little bit of fruit in each cup like this. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, we're gonna put one of these heart-shaped apples on top of each one, as well as a raspberry. Oh yeah. It's going to make a nice presentation for a fresh fruit cup right there. Heart-shaped scoop. Going to make some hard apples here. Keep them from turning brown, put them in a little bowl of water. With some lemon juice. Ah, the finished heart-shaped apples, looking really cool. Yeah, they're gonna be good. Of course, you can score the little heart cutter and the chef's butcher block at the sponsor right there. Get cooking, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Going to be using some scoops. This one looks pretty cool. This one uniform size. Then I'm going to put some of the opposite colors in each pair. Oh yeah, looks good. Just like that. The sponsor's having a sale on these boost blocks. Really nice. This one here is the gathering block. It's about 200 pounds. It's end grain rock maple, and it's been used for over 10 years. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little lighter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable in general. So I wanted to show you those things. I'm going to oil these boards, and I'll be right back.